kinds of wholesaling tactical vest. And the first one is this tactical vest. It's very classical to use for many activities. Maybe some clients are very similar of our products. Maybe know this vest is very classical. And we can see here is have the Molle layer cat Molle system, and this area you can attach any velcro you want to decorate it. And attach any other the patches here to decorate your vest. And at the bottom of it, it has 3 lines of Molle system. You also can attach any neck punch, meaning other accessory punches. It's just like what I show you. You can touch. This is Mac punch. You can carry your magazine here. So this area and this area and include the back of it. It have many areas for you to attach to carry any punches you want. And okay, the waist of it is the elastic weight. It's elastic. You can wear it and hold it by this velcro and adjust it according the big area of the velcro. So it's very suitable for you whenever you are fat, you are thin. You all can adjust. It also all can adjust according to your body. Okay. And here also have the pocket. You can close by the velcro. You can put your things. Put your things here. Yeah. Put some small things. Okay. Let me show you the shooter. The shooter is have the padding to make your shoulder soft. Except to take off it by this area of the waist. It's also if you have if you meet any emergency situation, you can quickly release this vest by this wear. You can pull of it, and the whole of vest will separate two pieces, like what I show you. So this can be separated into two pieces. Okay, so it's separated two pieces. Then you can see the inner of it have four pieces of panel to protect your body. And also, it's not only tactical based. At the same time, it can be a bulletproof based. Just you can put the bulletproof plant when you see it. You can when you receive it, you can add the bulletproof plant and fix it. You can fix it very well by the Velcro, and here also have this to fix it very stable. Many Velcro to fix this bulletproof plant. So you can put any level of plant, then it can be a bulletproof vest for you. If you meet any dangerous situation, it can protect you to defend the dangerous dangerous situation. So this vest is very suitable for you to order, to use, and it's very it sells very fast now, because we all know that the war the war situation so many countries are very order this tactical vest, because it not only can be a tactical vest, it also can put in the plant into it, then it's be the bulletproof vest. So it's multifunction to soldiers to use it. And also it's maybe it's not have any quantities in stock now, because this month we sold many these products to our clients. So if you want to order it, please contact us as soon as possible.